Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a low-beam headlight on your Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. This is an easy method you can do yourself, saving time and money. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can safely and effectively replace your bulb. Improving your visibility at night is crucial for safety, and this quick fix will have you back on the road with bright lights in no time. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a new H11 low-beam bulb, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a 10mm socket. Safety is paramount, so make sure your Hyundai Santa Fe Sport's engine is turned off and has cooled down completely. For an extra layer of safety, when dealing with electrical components, it's always a good idea to disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery using your 10mm socket. This prevents any accidental shorts. Now, let's get to the actual replacement. First, open your hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a diagnostic connector or a few screws with your Phillips head screwdriver to gain better access, especially on the driver's side. Once clear, twist the circular bulb cover counterclockwise and gently pull it off. Next, disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb, then twist and pull the old bulb out. Carefully insert your new H11 bulb, ensuring it seats correctly, then reconnect the electrical connector. After installing the new bulb, replace the bulb cover by twisting it clockwise until it's snug and secure. Reconnect the negative battery terminal to your car's battery. Now, turn on your headlights to test the new low-beam bulb, ensuring it illuminates properly. If everything looks good, you're all set. You've successfully replaced your low-beam headlight. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the air freshener and other great deals to keep your ride in top shape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.